If you've been doing online research in the hopes of representing yourself for a driver's license restoration or clearance appeal, my best advice is to proceed with caution. Google cannot give you a law degree, and the unfortunate fact is that most lawyers don't really understand the nuances involved in a license appeal. There's an old saying that the lawyer who represents himself has a fool for a client. And in our capacity as driver's license restoration and DUI lawyers, we've represented many lawyers. And if you look to the TV news, anytime some prominent lawyer gets in trouble, you will always see him or her represented by another lawyer. In addition, there's another old saying that's very applicable here. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Unfortunately, some people get online, they think they understand enough about the process to proceed, and they find out that they didn't know it all. For all of that, and I could spend the next 2 hours explaining why you shouldn't do your own license appeal, I say if you're inclined to do it, give it a try, and we'll be here if it doesn't work out. If you get lucky and it works out, then you can never say that I tried to dissuade you or tried to grab your money. However, if it doesn't work out, then you'll know you've been forewarned, and we're here to help you pick up the pieces and move forward.